In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get free games on Steam. By the end, you'll have a free game added to your Steam library and ready to play with no payment required. First, open Steam. Launch the Steam application so you can see the main window. When it opens, you should see the top navigation with tabs like Store, Library, and Community. Give it a second to load if needed, and make sure the window is in focus so your clicks register correctly. Next, go to Store. At the top of the app, click the Store tab. This takes you to the Steam storefront, where you can browse and search for games. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the search bar and featured games on the front page. Now, search Free-to-Play. Click into the search bar at the top right, type Free-to-Play, and press Enter. Steam will show results related to free-to-play games. You may see a free-to-play hub or a list of games that don't cost anything to download. This is the quickest way to find free games on Steam. From here, click a game. Scroll through the results and pick any title that interests you. Click the game's thumbnail or name to open its store page. On the game page, look near the top where the price would normally be. For a free title, you'll see a Play Game button or an Add to Library option. You can take a moment to glance at the description or screenshots if you want, but you don't need to explore anything else to continue. Now click Play Game or Add to Library. If you see Play Game, click it. If you see Add to Library, click that, and it will add the title to your account. In most cases, the button will then switch to Play Game. Either way, you are not being charged. These titles are free, and clicking the button simply attaches the game to your account so you can install it. Once that's done, install and play. After you click Play Game, Steam will open a small install window for that title. Confirm the installation by clicking the Install or Next button shown in that window to begin the download. You'll see Steam prepare the files and start downloading. Let the progress bar complete. This may take a few moments depending on the game size and your connection. When the installation finishes, the button on the game's page will change to Play. Click Play to launch the game immediately. The game window will open, and you can start playing right away. If you prefer to explore more free options later, you can repeat the same process. Go to the store. Search Free-to-Play, click a game, use Play Game, or Add to Library, then install and play. Each time, the steps are identical, and you won't be prompted for payment on free titles. If you ever see a shopping cart or a price, that means you've clicked something that isn't free. Simply go back and choose a game marked Free-to-Play to stay on track. At this point, you've successfully added a free game to your Steam library, installed it, and launched it. Everything is now set up and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.